Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a polygon with the Rubik's Twist. So get 3 blocks and then turn the fourth one twice. Another 3 blocks, and okay, so hold it like this and then count 3 blocks and turn the fourth one to the back or to the right like this. So now it looks like that. Alright, so now hold it like this and count 1 and turn the second block twice, so it's upwards. Alright, so count 1 block and turn the second one, so turn this so that it goes to the back, like that, and it matches with that. Okay, so now hold it like this, count 1, 2, 3 blocks, and count 1 block and turn the second one 2 times, like that. Okay, so now take that one and turn it like this so it matches with this one, like that. And then looking at it from here, count 1 block, turn the second one down twice. Now it won't quite fit with this, as you can see it's a bit angled. And to fix that, you're gonna count 1 block and then turn the second one to the right, like this. Now it'll get even worse, but it'll be fixed soon. It'll be fixed now. So count 1 block and turn the second one up. So if you can manage that, and then everything fits perfectly. Alright, so now turn this block to the back. And then turn this block all the way to the down twice. Okay, so now turn this block to the back, like that. And then now count 1, 2, turn the third block twice. And then count 1, turn the second block twice. And then, so turn this gray block like this. And then turn this last block twice. And there you go, you have a polygon. So it looks a bit weird, so I decided to just call it the polygon. I mean, there's not really like a name for it, so yeah. And that's pretty much that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.